Hello, in this video I am gonna show you gutters. So what is a gutter in Bootstrap? It is basically the padding that's automatically applied. Here for example, as you can see, we've got this container. Let me just close this down so we've got a bit more real estate. Container, row, column, and then we got some text in there. We haven't specified that it should appear not flush with this. So there's automatic padding in there, and we can easily override that. So if we go onto the row, for example, and this will apply to every single column. If you just want it for the particular column, you just apply it to that, for example. And we just put G, then X, for the x-axis, so horizontal gutters. And if I put -5, this is the biggest gutter size you can go. The horizontal gutters are the biggest they can go. And if I put it down to, let's say, 3, it's a little smaller. Put it down to 1, it's almost the smallest, but you may notice that there's still a bit of a gap. If I put it down to 0, it's the smallest you can go. There's no gap now, the content is flush, and it will be flush on the right as well if there was enough content there. So we can also apply a gutter in the y-axis, and you generally should put overflow hidden. That is a recommendation. This should not change anything, but overall it is recommended for the best compatibility. If you want to do vertical gutters, you put G, then Y for up and down. It's the same principle. 5 will give you the biggest gutter size, 0 will give you none. So let's show you 5. That's what that's like. Let's put a gap between them without putting break rules or any manual padding or margins. If I put 3, it's going to be a little smaller. And if you put 1, it's a little bit of a gap. And if I put 0, what happened? I think I pressed refresh. Command R. And there you go, there is no gap now. So that's pretty much what it is by default. If you wanted to apply the same gutter size vertically and horizontally, what you can do is actually just put G dash the gutter size again, 0 to 5. So if I put 0, that's what we get, which hasn't changed. If I put 5, we'll put the max gutter size vertically and horizontally. So that is it. That is how you change the gutters in Bootstrap. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. So one thing I wanted to mention, it's not really that important, but I want to mention it. I know this is a question that a lot of people ask, is about the automatic, sort of gap, the margin, the padding. People use all different terms for it, but basically they want the content flush. So gutters is really, really useful for that. But yeah, like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. All the links will be in the description, such as the GitHub link with all the source code. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.